several years back, Testo saw the movement towards app connectivity and smarter devices.
Yeah.
And that's really where the Testo 300 evolved from. It was a requirement really to take the flue gas analyzer to the next level in its smartness. And when we launched it, it was truly revolutionary, the 300, with its integrated Android module operating system. So 5-inch HD screen, all the touch sort of options that we've been used to on a smartphone, whether it's been able to expand the screen to make the screen bigger. It really was a game changer. And what we've got with the 300 Plus, which is where we are now with the 300 model line, is we've evolved yet again. Key points about the Testo 300 is you have the connectivity to the Testo smart probes, which has been, again, the smart probes have been incredibly well received in the market as test devices that typically would talk to a mobile phone. Here, they actually talk to the Testo 300 direct. So the key is with the use of the instrument, you can bring in your combustion readings, but also parallel to that, on the same screen at the same point of operation, you can have your flow and return temperatures. You can have your gas pressures. You can even have multiple manometers if you want to do testing at both the meter and the appliance. It's this flexibility on the smartness that really makes the 300 Plus such a competent instrument. Yeah. And obviously, one of the other benefits we brought recently with the Plus was the upgrade to the sensors. So one of the key things of any combustion analyzer is obviously the sensors and the sensor life. With the 300 Plus, you've got enhanced sensors now, so 5-year expected lifespan, and also the CO sensor is rated right up to 8,000 ppm of CO. So it's double, if you like, what's in the 327 and the 310.